At this moment that she knew, she fucked up.
Yo said fuck that. Back with another
Then we should turn down here. Fuck that shit.
video. Should turn on where? For what?
To go to make the left on Wall.
Oh yeah.
I think you make this right back up.
You right about that. Man, fucking UPS. Goddamn done up.
Make this right here. Oh no. You all over here.
Ah, motherfucker. Right turn only.
I make it right here anyway.
No, I'm not.
Why? You can go make this left on which phone?
I know I'm going.
Alright, well, I'm over here.
You want me to get on Bel Air Road?
No, I don't need to go on Bel Air Road. I'm just saying, all that extra going all the way down, you could have been, you feel me?
I got you. I ain't getting copyrighted fucking with you.
Oh, I didn't know you had the shit on. My fault.
This motherfucker crazy.
I ain't about to hit the baby.
I ain't about to hit
You
shit.
about to hit little Melissa.
Hey, she's strolling, stroller. Ain't paying attention. I ain't about to hit nobody. I know I shouldn't have gotten behind this motherfucker listening to you. You got the fucking Home Alone bandit
Yo, I'm
shit.
about to go watch that shit now. I fucking
You got a
love
trail
Home
on
Alone.
that motherfucker.
Oh, wait, man. I hope he ain't right here. My radio is me. Oh, no. I know where we was at. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. Oh, you right here. My radio. Sad. Home Alone. That should be home.
You want to catch a bus home, yo?
No.
No funny as motherfucker.
Yo. See, that's right there. That's cool. Like a little Kia. Kia.
A kid.
Kia. I think
Kid soul.
Yeah.
How you want that?
Because I'm soulful. So let me
Get the fuck out of here. You thought I was gonna hit that
I thought
shit?
you was ready to hit that
Man,
motherfucker.
come on, yo.
I said, oh.
Yo.
I heard that. I felt the
Come
damn.
on, yo.
I don't know. I felt something.
I'm driving a sport mode, that's why I got a little loose like that.
Yeah, I'm like a little.
You thought I was gonna hit that motherfucker.
It was like a little high rain, but we ain't raining out this motherfucker. Here we go. I can't with you, Mark. I can't. I got a life to live. I'm trying to go to the bar tonight, Bobby, a big bar.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And you going not behind the Lexus, please. It's on
That nigga Mason.
the yeah, Mason.
Mason.
I can't.
What, you scared?
Cause why the fuck you so in the rush, Mark?
Yo,
I ain't
it's
trying to get
2
no
o'clock.
accident though.
Come on, bro. You'll never get an accident with
Like
me.
God forbid.
Look, I'm accident I've been in, I call that shit. Prime example. When I hydroplaned it, I slapped on the brakes on the Buick, hit it like bull. I had a Camry, turned too fast on the street, on some ice, hit the curb. I've never been in an accident where it's though, damn, I fucked somebody.
I got anxiety.
Like I fucked somebody else shit up and I need to exchange information. I've never been in a predicament like that.
I should smoke before I got this bitch, so my nerves can be down. Yes. And then it's like, cause I'm right here and I feel like you so up on their ass for real. What if they break and then we tap that
down.
shit?
Nope. I down shit fast as a motherfucker. It sees everything up. This motherfucker won't even go no more. Look.
What?
See how I stop?
Yeah, what's that? What's that?
I shifted my. I got automatic and manual in this car. So I just gotta keep downshifting to my to the shit. Basically, the gears drop down to 1 and my RPM's going to flare up. Basically, it's going to tell me to shift. You might want to drive like me one day.
I'm trying to get experience, but she ain't a good teacher, Mark.